saving while creating beautiful things. Hello my friends, I'm Diana. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Scrappy Warrior Woman. I created this channel as a way to encourage people to crochet more, to learn how to crochet. I share tips and tricks. In today's video, I am going to be talking about how to get the most money out of your yarn. Or we could simplify and say budget, but I don't like that word. Some people like that word. For a long time, budget was a word that was like a swear word to me, I'll be honest. So today's video is all about how much you can get for your money while crocheting. So first off, it's a really simple one. You shop sales. I have never ever paid full price for my yarn or crochet items. Never ever. Even online, I have found places where I've gotten, for example, I got blanket yarn for like $4.99, and normally that's $11.99. So that's even cheaper than I can get it on sale with a coupon. There is a way that you can stack, which a lot of people don't know about. You can stack. Every once in a while, they will have their clearance, marked down, which they will have an additional 25% off clearance. This yarn inspiration, Karen Colorama Halo yarn, is normally $12. Now it was marked down to $6.97, so that is a pretty good deal. But then I got it another 25% off, which made it $5.23. That's pretty good. For the project that I made, I used 3 of these skeins, so that was $15 instead of $36. That's pretty amazing stuff. We talked about sales. Hobby Lobby, if you didn't know, Hobby Lobby has yarn. Every other week, they have their sale 30% off. I can say that Walmart carries yarn. It is maybe $1 or $2 cheaper than other places. Michael's, I don't really shop Michael's all that much. Do know that they have sales. They will have where you can buy it online and then you buy 2 and you get a discount there. Joann Fabrics, they usually have a 30, 40, 50% coupon in their app on phone or even online if you want to go that way. And I check those coupons pretty frequently, that they will have discounts on shipping. They will have free shipping. So if something is on sale and you can't use another percentage off, but you can get free shipping, then you don't really have to go to the store. One of the biggest pieces of advice that I like to go in the store and just check out the yarn, not necessarily buy anything beforehand. I like to see which yarns I like and I'll make note of it. Then when it comes on sale, I'll know that I like that yarn. This is the tip that I wanted to share that I didn't know about for a while, is that you can stack sales with their coupons. You can go into the coupons on Joann and you can look through there, but they will have 25% off or 30% off your pickup order. You just apply that in your cart and you have to buy it online, which is why I said to go beforehand to know which yarns that you like, which yarns that you feel like you're gonna use. And you can either have them bring it out to your car or you can go up to the register. All you have to do is show your ID and your order number. Simple as that, which is really, really cool. Now I've shopped certain other online places that have sales. The one thing that I would say that you need to be aware of is the shipping. Sometimes, okay, you reach this amount and it's free shipping, but sometimes I made the mistake of shopping on one website that it was, like, you spend this much and it's going to be $7.95. So I would say watch for the shipping costs on your, whatever you're going to purchase. And one more thing that I wanted to share with you is a tip or a trick that my mother taught me long time ago, and I used to use it when I was grocery shopping. That sounds funny. So say, okay, so this is $12, just regular price $12. You want to know how many ounces that you get for that price. You would take the price and you would divide it with the ounces. 12 divided by, this one's 8 ounces. And that would tell you that your equals $1.50 an ounce, because it was on sale and I paid $5.23. So $5.23 divided by 8 made it 65 cents. That's pretty cool. So that's something, if you can use this in your shopping. I know now that they have it on the little little strips at the grocery store. One other tip that I thought was pretty common knowledge, if you want to figure out, sometimes the stores will have something on sale and it will have maybe the helpful chart up there. Sometimes they have that, sometimes they don't. And you want to know, okay, how much is my item if it is 25% off the regular price? So to figure that out, we're going to do a little math. My math teachers would be so proud right now because I am math challenged. I didn't know if you knew that, but I'm math challenged. What you would do is take, so your percentage is 25. You subtract 25 from 100, you get 75. That's how much you're going to multiply, makes it $9. So 25% off, $12 is $9. So I hope that was easy enough for you. I had an opportunity that I went to the store and it was actually buying this yarn, and the young man, it didn't ring up right, and I knew there was a discount, and for some reason it wasn't registering in the computer. I literally had been shopping the day before, and on the signage, I still had days on the sale. He could not figure it out, and I had to show him how to do that trick. So if your item is 35% off, it would be the same difference. It would be 100 minus 35 would be 65. So you would multiply it, you put a decimal in front of that, multiply it by 0.65. I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Be able to purchase your yarn at a good price. One other tip that I would say is, this is a hard one for me, honestly, is to buy yarn, but also know that you have an idea for it, what you're going to use the yarn for. If you don't immediately have an idea for something, I would hold off. So then you're not spending money on something that you're not going to use. Eventually it will come on sale again. Like, there's certain yarns that I like to use and I know that they come on sale, and a lot of times I will wait till I can get the double coupon at Joann, because I mostly shop at Joann because you can get your items so much more inexpensive. Now, the one thing that Hobby Lobby I do like, with Hobby Lobby yarn, they will have their yarn go on clearance. Now, I asked one of the girls why they did that, and they have dye lots. So their yarn is dyed in lots. I do talk about dye lots in a video. If they go and they don't have more than 3 in their bin of skeins of the same dye lot, they will pull those, and those will become clearance because they want more of the same dye lot, and they'll have their clearance yarn. So that usually happens, according to things online, in June and sometimes February, March. If you are a Hobby Lobby shopper and that is something of interest to you, that was a really cool tip. And their clearance is pretty good. I mean, they mark it down like 75%. I remember getting like $8 yarn for $1. So it's worth the trip if you like to use Hobby Lobby yarn. If you enjoyed today's video, if it was helpful in any way, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I also have an Instagram account if you would like to follow me over there. I share what I'm working on daily, what's going on in my life, those things like that. And I would love to be friends with you and to see the things that you're making, so tag me in your post. It's Scrappy_Warrior Woman. Happy crocheting. Yarn inspiration, Coloramo. Hey, that was really hard to say.